Alright, we're under the truck, and excuse the noise from the fans blowing, but my garage is not air conditioned, even though I keep the doors closed. So we're just trying to keep it cool in here, or at least somewhat cool. Anyway, here's what we got underneath here. You know, this exhaust is not ancient on this truck, as you can tell. It's not original, and it's not awful. Let me get some light over here. You know, it's not that bad, but whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and replace, and 1990 model vehicles are not required in the state of Georgia to have a catalytic converter, which is way up here. These two guys right here, and they look pretty crappy. Like I said, you know, I'm not the original owner. I'm like the third owner of this truck, so I don't know the age of these guys, but they look pretty bad. And since this truck does not have to have them, I'm going to remove them. So I'm basically going to remove, you know, I'm going to go ahead and chop off basically just in front of the cats, and then install this rear system that I got. You know, it should fit right on, honestly. It's got all the clamps, even though I've got plenty of clamps I can use if necessary. It's also, I mean, I've already got all these hanger straps and whatnot, but the kit I've got comes with all of that if I need it. And I'm going to install another muffler, you know, basically in that same general area. And, you know, I'm going to do some exhaust putty, because I'm not a welder. I don't have a welder. I'm not trying to take this to a welder. I'm going to handle it myself. Anyway, we got twin exhausts coming out the back here, and we're going to replace it. And it comes with chrome tips too, the new set I've got. I mean, you know, the old set is not bad. The main thing though is the catalytic converters just look hideous. So I'm sure they are many, many years old. And, you know, I'm not feeling a lot of force coming out of the exhaust as far as, you know, PSI. So, and it wasn't very expensive when I'm about to install. So I'm curious if, you know, what improvement I might get. Anywho, got myself a new Sawzall. And we're going to go to town and just start chopping this stuff up. So I'll do some updates and get back to you.